Credit Karma shows credit scores based on VantageScore models using data from TransUnion and Equifax. But most lenders use FICO scores, which is why the number you see is often different from what a bank pulls. By the end, you'll know how accurate Credit Karma really is, when it matches your real credit situation, and when it can be misleading. Start with the key point. Credit Karma is accurate in terms of credit report data. That means your accounts, balances, payments, and credit activity usually reflect what is actually on your TransUnion and Equifax reports. Now explain the important limitation. The score itself is not the same score lenders use. Credit Karma uses VantageScore, while most banks and lenders use FICO scoring models when making lending decisions. Now explain what that difference actually changes. Even with identical credit data, VantageScore and FICO can produce different numbers because they weigh credit factors differently. That includes things like credit utilization, credit age, and recent activity, which are not calculated the same way across both models. Now explain what people usually get wrong. People think Credit Karma is inaccurate because the score doesn't match their bank. But the underlying issue is not incorrect data. It is different scoring systems using the same credit information in different ways. Now explain when Credit Karma is actually useful. Credit Karma is useful for tracking trends. If your balances go down, payments are reported, or new accounts are added, you will usually see those changes reflected. That makes it good for monitoring your credit behavior over time. Now explain where it can mislead users. Credit Karma is not reliable for predicting exact loan approval outcomes. A bank may approve or deny you based on a FICO score that is higher or lower than what you see in the app. Now explain how to use it correctly. Use Credit Karma as a monitoring tool, not a decision tool. Check it to see if your credit is moving in the right direction, not to estimate a precise approval score. Now summarize the key points. Credit Karma data is generally accurate for your credit report details. The score is different because it uses VantageScore instead of FICO. And it is best used for tracking changes, not predicting loan approvals. One practical next step. Before applying for any loan or credit card, check a FICO-based score so you understand how lenders are likely to see you. If this helped, subscribe for clear breakdowns of credit tools, without confusion or misinformation.